Hello and welcome! Are you interested in coatings that seal, are decorative or can protect surfaces against stain and abrasion? Then I'll be happy to show you which waterproofing slurry to be used for waterproofing, which top coat protects best against stains, why repair paints also look good on wet walls, and why PU and epoxy coatings just look great. Waterproofing slurries are great waterproofing for floor, wall, foundations, indoors and outdoor. The essential decision you need to make here: flexible or abrasion resistant. Flexible systems bridge cracks. Abrasion resistant systems are also suitable for high water pressure, and if necessary, you can drive a truck on them. Here are the two most popular sealing slurries. Chembond 863 is an all-round talent. It adheres to wood, metal, many plastics and of course perfectly to stone and concrete. Chembond is super abrasion resistant and can withstand negative water pressure of over 7 bar. Baudicht 914 is a smooth and flexible polymer-based waterproofing slurry, perfect for foundation waterproofing, prefabricated roofs or waterproofing terraces under the tiles. Duroflex 900M is a liquid film for waterproofing bathrooms and other damp areas. Whether you want to seal floor slabs, foundations, catch basins or bathrooms, we will be happy to advise you on your choice. If you need a decorative, easy to clean surface, such as those found in supermarkets, laboratories, hospitals, or even basements and garages, then epoxy resin or polyurethane coatings are just what you need. We have made sure that we can offer you coatings for both vapor tight and diffusion open surfaces that are uncomplicated to apply. Duroflex 670 is a PU coating that bridges cracks and is suitable for diffusion tight surfaces. With the right primer, it also feels very comfortable on asphalt. Silox EPV is 857 in the fast, inexpensive solution for garages and wherever low maintenance surfaces are desired. Silox 858 is a self-leveling coating where you can apply up to 5 mm in one operation. Open to vapor diffusion, therefore suitable for all surfaces. The top coats are coatings and impregnations that protect the underlying surface against abrasion and dirt. Choose the protection system that best suits your surface. For example, PowerSeal 744, the power impregnation against oil and grease. Protection for concrete and stone on floors and walls. No film formation, no hindrance to diffusion. Duroflex 678 Pro is a sealer and protective coating for mineral surfaces and for coatings. It is colorless, matte and abrasion resistant. BlockSeal 790 is abrasion resistant matte acrylic sealer. It protects concrete, screed, terrazzo and also terracotta and natural and artificial stones. Repair and renovation paints are waterproof paints that seal damp walls as a standalone solution or in combination with a horizontal barrier. They prevent dark stains, efflorescence and mold. Here they are. Hydroblock 750 is a waterproof paint for interior and exterior use. Calsol 1021 is a lime paint for a healthy and natural indoor climate. Chembond 1041 is a water and dirt repellent paint. It can be used indoors and outdoors. That was a small selection of our coatings. We would be pleased to advise you. Please do not hesitate to contact us. My team and I look forward to meeting up with you. My name is Michaela Müller-Kaja.